order for Yami Enshra say and then so Waji Akunya na wanyamre na wo hwe yen ewo KC network Yami Enshra ne wo support na ya ka kire ne say kwaso like na subscribe to your YouTube network na share na afoforo so no enya bi enhwe Yami Enshra say wo share emai na ene KC network Cyprus 360 say na ye define yen dwumadi no 360 essence say you should be biara from politics to entertainment to relationship to religion and what have you. Etino enne minimia nana odene ho asare nana ababetenase na enne ye hwe entertainment industry e wo Ghana na ye bu nkompo akoye chika krakwa kohwe se ne yetete no na enyumto no etie na enne nsoso no se ne enyumto no ako ababeye nana
nunya
Ghana music industry nana say na wo hu ye hwe ye de toto tete de no ho na ya hwe se ne niam bi asesa wo mu kakra no na nana say na wo hu
ye nyumto de me gidi say embribi no na nyumto bresi na etie on say generation bia no I want to aso bia e wo munyu mo de ba iti bi say no masakra nti ama generation bia na say I want to aso bia omunyum no omo ho nyum na ba nti no ubi hu say nemri no obi kwa betimi tie ebia 1965 nyum na nyum no mo de sa no
just that time no me ye koloko
those always no me akeko so that time no mo no abre pa no 80s munyum now the to bibi to say 70s nyum or say 90s nyum crampo na wo share beat na nebum no wo share instrument no wo share recording process na nebum na
so they say technology improve
and now bit me din kan ya voice no nko na dey ato ho na ya beat no nje dey ato ho ni etimi ahihya na beto so because no dey on record
technology
tete no the obo guitar no the obo conga no the obo afretua
but na say no nyum no live music
sa abre no ye abre so no ye abre so sa nyum no ene ye fe anyum
ya abre so nyum almost say songs of our time
it's no ennembre so omombre so nyum no ene no mguso mutie yo
na message like yenhwe content
content dey me gidi say like I said earlier, generational wise. But also music and the way I'm towards Bibi to say emotions. More of a poetry thing, it's more of art. And Nippon or Betnas no better and seminal and seminal the kind of a human here. So hey any ya brasona. No odohunum any a yasenium. Oh pa.
Yeah.
We say me ya boat my I be you na person na ya boat my person kire na breso nyoma na esi ya boat my kwa ware enye ya boat my ntimi nwo ho nti eye nyoma bi esi wa abrabom na twerefo ntimi tena se de hwere nyom it wan kasa kwa wo tie bia na wo tena se sei tie nyom na wo say yes wo tie nyom so what I say enye ti say enne na mafonyum ya yetoa na mi wosika na metumi atodan na metumi atoka na metumi atoka metumi atodan metumi atodan sa na nyum nasi wo ho the message is different
no kura but send your kan na o maka tete no ye kan akwasi ampofo agye no adofo no ampadu amachi de no amachi kabobo no dadi lumba no edeba no omunyuma na omubọ na ne hu ni se nyum ne bebre na ne hye nkran bibia bebre no so na ese fa abrabo ho etufu ene na sefo ba se ne na wo kan akwakoye se ene niema na sesa na ba se na still omuguso bo odonwum
akodwantwi enyum ba ko Rockland enyumwe only say na me bibire na me tie and etie for correct me if I'm wrong I think the interview ba ko no say Sanyum na yere ho asem na woka.
Okay.
So what I say? So the way yes, describe on the camera. So what I say? So what to say Chaskodo Fosu, there is a barber there is a
Yeah, you what is
so what I say enti no opeso kire say eh we hu ma na we asemesi we die o de yem famra ni selling new omo so selling new omo board ho nyuma on so mo so de na yetese nyum
yeah
etutu de the content no I am more of
na they selling new nyum kwa de se first ni se won ho hyedem na se wutie selling new nyum na wa hwe ya spirit you to me so man for you mo kan ya so na mitimi etre da mutia honhom na amada
nye ho ehu sa hom proko de proko kai hu fi but anyway won say sa content no na say nsamfo a ewo anwum no
yeah
edo na ehyenkran
yeah ehyenkran
what I say akwese tete nyamesom so what I say erade wuti se o se de se uchinchin bi ne so akai mi
yes
kai mi
so me yeah
wuti on say okwan no ewa nti unso mo kan sem bi e ma won say eh chale un say wadafo bi onisi super akwan no na nsin nyankopon na adom adwuma bi onya e ti rade wo nya adwuma bi a meso adwuma ne bi
akwan ni worry
en say wuti ye enamre gospel a ba say o disco kucha
na wo dress ni akwan no chese eni o mo dress no
no natural say generation wise generation bia wo ne wo mo pa mo no
chese ni ma sesa
nti
chese na mo dress ni
and no content no so asesa but maybe question kan say eh den na ma say yes no ma asesa generation wise na adent na tetefo na no mo horo e binum eda ho irrelevant eda ho bonnum e ma kojo fosu that lumba
yes
what kojo fosu be be
Charles kojo
fosu that the lumba da ho e bonnum ma o bodo ho nyum ma nembre da ho gina
yeah
kojonchi o ti bonnum ma ne da ho gina
so kwa ese ne na mafoma na ya ba ne bonnum na esofesikitu
akere bi na nyuna ira adent because content no munyedu munyedu so no correct
na ade ba ko so ni say na say enwum no so no akwakoda ne beef beef
oh baka ko
na kako ni die
ni dia beef na kako no bon masa o start ka beef ya bro
na kako no bon
oh beef ni ya bre jaru mu ko ya beef biggie benya beef ye friend say Tupac beef ye arkeli why beef ni ya bre nke wose mo di kako kakra
na kako ni bon
mo di kakra every masa edu o person ye bi krum for na
no but
bon da be masa kasa ye bi krum for na okay mo da so as I say beef no ehun sunsan so ho
okay
enyuntu na ama na kakwa beef no say aya na o say onyuntuni bia wo nkofo mutie ne nwum
okay
me ti we am no eye program no sisi e ebinu be ka say oh abranti pa de wo kan nsam mani age no ho obi so be hwa ka say Cyprus pa de wo kan nsam no mani age no ho nti bo say even though show here e was one show the same network KC network here was in the end obo say ye benya echidomfo a aye afane afa enti echen to ko besi mini ntemu pe hey me ma fafo ene wo fafo na si ani so as I said eno ena ema sa beef ndeba
okay
so as I said and I said ebi wo no mo a the same general na ye wo no aye dey born mu no ebi am ye dance hall so ye dance hall na ye born kunkure one day boss meto nyum bi word bi ameka na mate ama ne wo no so born nyum no so chale no so ate ama ne me
it is na beef ni se na wo kan ya no mo shada no mo ye beef no
I won't say technically na ko mo shada
oh
there be beef na kasa no na nse na beef na se mo shada tete no oh yeah tete na yes ya shada tete no bia person tete say me na me born nyum ayi me mo ayi kodofo so ne na ne champo hwe Luma brothers na nkabe de na ya oya
usu kura na mi
yo na that Luma so ba na so me yo no a
ono na enye den
so what I say anyo no so ampa enti no obehu say obia bo so kire say that style of voice that style of song no me ya de chen
okay
you should that time na champo voice and Luma voice tale na mu
voice
and I said that was their way of differentiating between themselves.
Okay.
Some person might say, "Me na champo, me na me lumba." Na enye to say e bia na unia and to say yo, chale me enye beef for you, ya beef for no.
Yes, so mo dia na mo enye real beef.
I amu dia started in such a way say, "Oh so mo ntem tete ye." na na lumba no on some boy ya ka kwentum no on say o hwe almost story na on say yet say emrent here number yes ya ba kwentum so I want to start here na I think say lumba na wo form na champion ti abronsa no so iti da ko no te so bi bon nwum na oh chale ne Ghana ni na no mbehia no mbo ni wo de me pese me ka story ni na wo de mko YouTuber sa story no iti akoba na sa no mo bon to mba ye nuano ankasa wo almost style
they didn't so mo ye nuano because the way I know
everybody talk
o masa no mo na ya kwachiri no
anna kokoba na so sisi ana so mo te mo ho so what I say on say edu ba bia say Beyonce your friend said Destiny's Child. So Beyonce Kelly Roland count. There's other person briefing it. But some material. But we say Adibia no more ya. Group every group no. There's one person be more. Even though onyo no kwa na ye group no the
top. But I say ono
no only kuta group no. It's sign be na champion lumba dia no. But na obia so timi bono nyom. No omo say for the bono. To we bono nwa. I take a cram and I'm an yonko. And the way born in you want it's on say, hey, sa kind of funny. It wasn't a planned beef. A more than a planned beef. Okay. And I wish Lord Kenya. Any your friends or Bradford now. Also, Bradford can say, LK, do you want to try? So that's it. And I'm looking at the company, Tim Manica, or Manica, crabby, come out. It won't say, I don't know yet to say the name. Obitimi bon nyumna wa describe to say bia to say Shatawale and Samini.
Yes.
Na Shatawale did this Samini at them.
Na Shatawale ni Samini beef no no na ye beef ye.
Oh and na correct beef.
Sir.
And then kaya kako.
Na na champo no mo di ni bi na.
Omo de no on say every musician ewo on one style or the na.
Yeah.
And one thing I'm be pay Shatawale who say. I say only Shatawale ni Samini.
Yes.
And I see Subo morning to him. Bandana from Ghana, Mokoho. And your friend say a bright with Samini, so that's how on you for Rampon Batman. And so name said it was that time now or Mabaso.
Yeah.
And Kofonoma and Kokra.
Yeah. Around that time, Niki for Sunumina. Reggie Rockstone.
Ghana Arkalu. Hey, Keke was on the night Ghana. Hey, bra. Keteke cho. What I say. Enti no. Time na bandana yera system no no. No cut na say. E no be hu say that time na no person back no. Na one na was. Na Samini. E na general na person obo no. Samini e na owo mpa. Ekutam. Na bra na wan ka be de. Say wa, kada na be. Also best strategy be odu hu be wura system no mo. Enti kwaya na o say or fast no do room na e was so I said open so utukwan ko ba bi na ponko ho. Nko da ponko na jira mfa nko.
Definitely say.
Ponko ndi udu ho no mu bia. Afi wan ka so do otumi da opa bia. Eno ni de eto Samini ene
just take advantage. Take advantage.
Yes.
I think say say you can recently, Sister Fia. So Nana so nim Sister Fia. Sister Fia. Sister Fia there. So Nana me pa no me feel lady ni too much. Me feel ni because me feel ni crap so. But ade a oye no, on say o start Ninyo no, and after the rhymes, I didn't hold a shame. I think said the lady it was so, or kind of so straightforward, say, or taking advantage. And I think said,
also, not as I better on one of
the kind of taking advantage. But though I say Sister Fia Boni Ding, but I say, or taking advantage of. What was happening at that time, and that's the fiancé on your rapper or your singer, and ne rap the way I rap here, Nana mi tu chamano because no so superb. And sana I know Baron in no so no. Oh yeah. Omunyina be room.
No the same man there no. So
and you share medical any strong man beef here by Nana beef so on faso.
Beef there.
Beef so
on faso. Sebi na mama chere. Enye na beef ni man Shatawale di ba ya. Sisi am no kasa oni Beyonce aba hiti.
Yeah.
Da number 1 asset and run and then answer.
And now whether Shatawale nyum ya oni Beyonce aba I say for ka ho asem bebre say na nyum no omo nyum like omo anhia no mo shoot video no we shoot but I think say Bulldog aba can say omo call
and no crowd phobia and em fa ye ho. Bulldog crowd all time.
Pop skinny so I take care.
Pop skinny then now in telling you also pop skinny skin pain. I was saying okay.
Oh, I said parasite.
Na parasitic you know
oh,
all the pop skinny no. Okay, oh dear. My memo born some no so you na me commode ni nyede. Wo hwe your friend is saying as my Bulldog be kind na. Say me I can be come in few bia. Say Shatawale ne ba US. Say US na kasa na ba Shatawale nchen. Say Beyonce and I call Ghana ne ba Beyonce one enfo bia at the end of the day you know it is making the money. If you like go and die. What I say?
Yes.
Go and die. Masa man no. Masa she dan na me ka ekwapem polo asem. So ni po she be a wufi awo ba. Now how far waje won nyoma po man nyoma bi be say wo chance.
David
I don't know Shatawale no. One say nyumwe me say me no ka say. Eta number 1. But one say Shatawale obe jan ere de na ma bon nyum na. No, she the guy he be smart. The guy he be smart guy. One say Shatawale pa also wan kasa.
David.
And he throw business strategy.
But so Shatawale kasa the right time.
It's not me ka tell no. So what I said, it's omo so ya no mo say, na Shatawale no wan ko wan ba Beyonce na.
And then the same fa ho.
I'm for bia.
At the end of the day no achievement na.
The guy they make his money if you like go and die. It's
but na o say anyum ya ye kan. Me nim de nti ha Shatawale nyum we say so no I take the extraordinary we say because na so him say Stonebwoy.
Ghana for his skin
Stonebwoy ni Kerry Hilson. And so ebo anyum say ya. I quite attention ni nyina kwa ko.
Na so Kerry Hilson ni tepa na Beyonce.
Banana
there you as well right.
Banana Stonebwoy dey no so na so.
Oh, you get it so. No, there's nothing wrong with that. Kerry. Enye ni tepa any Beyonce.
Na sir.
I quite to say Woody JJ Rollins. Now what number to talk to say bia Minister of Finance one. Then I say we. Who Rollins? Now Minister of Finance, a small boy going to own the channel. There are certain things we want more. And also it is Minister of Finance on you. Or not see be. Name mo say if yes na one be bia and unti na wo hwa Shatawale oni Stonebwoy ntawanta do munsem so I say ntawanta do munsem
this is say the man fine
ode nya
and artificial
ode nya ode what is them ya and I hear says Stonebwoy only carry ekoye anyum okay Shatawale any your friend is saying Beyonce akoye anyum na say mo mienu na within the same year omotimi any superstars then abonyum the superstars no munyom bonyum. What kind of superstars are on board? That is what Ghanaians are talking about. Hey, and yet Kerry Hilson on the Cobon, only Beyonce, and on San Common. If you shut out on Beyonce, only Kerry Hilson, what's somewhere in each only Kerry Hilson, Stonebwoy, why are you? But Shatawale didn't only Beyonce. Oh, they're Bozy. And Ghana for campus. Oh, so what I said. And the critics are beef in them. It's most of Mancasa, what you call Contocar. Musicians like someone enjoy music.
Oh yeah,
you understand?
Yeah, because recently now Shatawale ni Stonebwoy omo moto so necessary. You know, they were having fun.
Yeah.
But I said fancy for fancy for no say na I say you take beef no to a different level. Because na I can say you can beef for you share Shatawale ni Stonebwoy. You share Sarkodie and Shatawale. They say Sarkodie di ni birthday no. Nana so when you happen here omo kasa wo phone so kama
yeah bro what you say for the show for the camera
it say akoye say na ntwebini no
as Rollins ni kofo etia omunsam no for the camera
esro na wo but asie no so ho e no omo kasa wo hwa I say Stonebwoy on said that ni trust Shatawale or my friends in there say Shatawale etimi posti Stonebwoy ne Instagram page but omo say Stonebwoy posti Shatawale I think say Shatawale oh na omo pa person mo kire say Stonebwoy yes so careful because on trusted
Oh, what's that?
So what you say? A quack where I say a crapin polo and is Andy Camel, a cushion or Kumasi no Mokoye, free no. A crapin polo buy no himself my free, but still, now I saw on trusted Zandi Camel. And then bet you Bobo beef no so for so basso pound, and I was a strong man. Any medical beef here by. Now that's what Bamfaso ama because at that time, no, though not strong man, the cancer time and I'm in your school, no, not strong man, you know, Kepkus. But they say, I said a putu. Strong man in a certain realm. I mean, what can say? When you award me as best lyricist name, best male lyricist, any another award. It's in a different and crofobia like a super emphasis. Nutina, omu a creative way saying, Usha sister Fia, a dear or the bayi, a bois Emma Endo Baroni. Esheki ne ho and if the rhymes or no so no a catapult to a certain level and look quite as any kind of beginning no so no akasa ka say or take advantage of we say na time one family ejini din no e sure say time one ni Ogidi Brown issue ni ba ye no Ogidi Brown family na manfo didi you know obi apese or share whatever was going on it ni me gidi say bifu no Boa pa na metimi akoso aka because we hear Kevin Boy ni Stone Boy e dey buy do ni Kevin Boy so pick it up but we say we na we abu we tia we na fe we akwakotie na ntina na beef dey so onfa so beef no on say obi one more ungrateful nipa ni be ungrateful
onipa ni be one more ungratefulness na yo no mo dey afa ho na mo say but beef no dey nkeye because e ma won so no ho potential utumu say oh betimi akọwani mo so what I say it's the one dey ni ye na ye ne say etimi buo mo wan kasa so you become independent wan kasa to be te ho na won so why dey opese wo ye say e nyum to a na e bia opese move from one general to another general betimi aye so what I say because e bia wo show obi as no e bia na Never because of contract being in one to me, right? But what to one? Put me and anyone, I know that all you and I will team man, the panel. But who tell man, so what in Yansan? What in Yansan? What I said, Kevin Boy, New Stone Boy, Eddie. I want to know where I ought to know. As I'll tell you, tell from wall. I said, what I said, I will tell you from wall, or you're telling it to chance you. So, ain't you one no say no. And Canadian KO because he's now riding at the back of Stone Boy. Satawale rode at the back of Samini. Nana jump on that Lumba. Amukoye. So as I say, it's a different there. Everything you a 50 concert party. Sure, Masha. Na beef ni ba one necessary look smart. Look smart. No more. Kevin Boy dey. If I say that any soup because also beef no munya I so you careful say you work. So what I say because na say near my man what you follow talk I say na say okwa ashama ho nsem bai. Yes. What I say because of assembly o kan fa ashama for hunti. It make us beef na wunya one particular musician enya men ni na bushafo nya. Men ni na chidom because obia we chidom. Men nada. Na particular person kra no ahwe say. What should do abeka no. Onipa mu ye bifa anye hu beberebe na ye na ehu but the way they say ke benye hu ewuo ni sa na mebam ankosi sa Samini Satawale okay na ehu pa o ba Samini ni Stone Boy ni Saturday no so na say tuo nyina ba mu oh ane camera you ane for the camera oh right na how you sure say for the camera because man out do for the camera for the camera wow oh yeah for the camera and you want to catch him say Satawale go post Stone Boy picture on for the camera. Oh, na he friend say lewu ni funny face beef no so way. Omo de na ejimi. Oh na David. I don't go see my program say can me coffee. And I say I want to serve kakra. Omo de na ejimi. Sawo. Yeah. Omo de nu say jimi kakra bata ho. Sawo. Na enye mo bebre. Che say jimi de ye obi ti say aproboto sabi o si wono no onim se onu je wa ne sabi wajimi but menjiri say de o kan what ya say yi o person o kire o say is a comedian oh nto mo de no jimi na me kan say bia jimi say be mo jimi for but comedy don be ye okay kan ta be no be ye and a drama bi no be ye de kire ye no okay what you say okay na mom no the way I come here, they say no we see my bone, no we see me say, no we see me say.
Can I go share UTV?
UTV there no home. UTV there no. I did back come me share. I didn't hear pa. I didn't be who say. I can't remember say. Funny face. China they like pa.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I mean, see that they like him, and I respect that.
Yeah.
But that thing where it make the thing go up, no. Meaning, if it is part of the scripted that you know, they are fine. But say, on my way, go to him like that, they're telling the one you
an advantage.
Oh yeah, and this so much
yeah. Now, but when you become too emotional, when you emotional, no, to me take your advantage.
And no need disadvantage, and not a walk beef, no. Oh, and this is what the emotions attach it.
Exactly.
But the emotions attach it. There's a beginning a two-pack.
I think Sasana sister Fianne Frida Ramsey, the so quiet. So sister Fia taking it too.
So, no. Someone just Samini, a Shatawali. It's because someone is so far. They have one of the most successful beef. A friend saying, Sakwa then I call with your friend saying. Manifest, yeah. Also, beef never grow up. But I let down last time on the face time. Oh, beef, there are beef here. And this moment, chief one to talk. I was sent to come a year between only Pakon lyrics. Yeah. And you told me one a yard. And no, any friend beef. And your beef, I will try out doing some phone. That's a cocktail YouTube now. Only set also meant to say 7 Jimmy. Let me tell you one thing. All these things add up to the music industry. Yeah. Maybe say me ma kwa kan funny face as some masaka kodyon kan sansa. Obi ope funny face as some ba kan sansa. Obi so ope onime nyade. Ene na ma vibe no eyede. Enye bibia na o say ye ma no ye basasa.
Yo nana say ye dim komo na megidi say etiefo nso so ebi omni ye be adwen ebi won so a omni enye adwen entini aye kan say ye komo na ye di ye na ye kire ye adwen megidi say nso so no wasua bibi ewo mu na wanya anije bi ewo mu ntino koso na subscribe to YouTube network no na share ema afoforo so no enya bi enhwe na efa support yen na wo kire wa adwen nso so e wo comment section ho na nia me pese wo ti ase ni se na wo twese ne meni menua odene ho ye de part 2 of any program no ebeba e kire se esese anyumtufo bi ho a ye celebrate them and if even possible see ye incorporate them into the educational system sene ebe ya so beba mfaso ne de ahante talent ama membu no so no anya adwuma aye sene ebe ya ebeboa oman ni nyina meni menua nana odene ho asare na yetena ase na yedi nkomo ye hwe entertainment media ne Cyprus call me Cyprus and I'll tell you to go get your dream and don't forget teamwork makes the dream work. Stay safe.